In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group email in Gmail. So the first thing we're going to do is open a browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account so you can see your inbox and the main Gmail interface. Now that we're inside Gmail, take a look at the left side of the screen where all your folders and sections are listed. This is where Gmail organizes things like your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and other labels. What we're going to do here is create a label that can be used for grouping emails together. So from this left sidebar, find the option that says Labels. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. This section shows the labels that are already part of your Gmail account, and it's also where you can create new ones. After clicking Labels, look for the option that says Create New Label. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, Gmail will open a small window where you can enter the name of the new label you want to create. Now in this field, type the name you want to give your group label. This could be anything that helps you identify the group easily, like a project name, a team name, or any category you want to organize emails under. Just type the label name into the space provided. Take a moment to check that the name looks the way you want it. Labels are used to organize emails inside Gmail, so choosing a clear name can make it easier to recognize the group later on. Once the name is entered, go ahead and click the button that says Create. As soon as you click Create, Gmail will add that new label to your list of labels on the left side of the screen. Now if you look back over at the sidebar, you should see the new label appear along with your other labels. That means the group label has been successfully created and is now available for organizing emails. At this point, the label you created acts as a group category inside Gmail. Anytime you want to organize emails under that group, you can use this label to keep everything together. It's a simple way to manage messages and keep related emails in one place, and that's really all there is to it. You open gmail.com, go to the label section, click Create New Label, type in the name for your new label, and then click Create. Once you've done that, the label is added to your account and ready to use. If you look again at the left side of your Gmail screen, you'll see the new label sitting there with the rest of your folders and labels. From here, it becomes part of your Gmail organization system, helping you keep emails grouped the way you want. So anytime you want to create a new group for emails in Gmail, you can follow the same process. Just go into Labels, create a new label, give it a name, and click Create. Once that's done, Gmail will add it instantly and you'll see it appear right away in your label list.